Good morning. Let's begin with an affirmation. Mike and Amy, I'd like you to look at each other and say 3 things that you like about each other.
Can I go second?
Sure. Amy, go ahead. Well, I like that you gave me my children, and I like that you pick up the kids after school sometimes, and I like that you came to therapy. Great. Mike, your turn.
Okay. I like your spaghetti. You make a really good calzone. So that's 2.
Do you have any that aren't pasta?
I really appreciate the fact that you've never crashed the car.
Do you see what I'm working with here, Doc?
What? What's wrong with that? That's a great answer.
You know what? Let's try a role reversal exercise. Amy, I want you to pretend to be Mike, and Mike, I want you to pretend to be Amy. And now, I want you to just talk about your days.
Hi, I'm Amy. I put lotion on my face all day and I just talk.
Well, I'm Mike. Today I made toast in the oven and stared off into space. We usually don't do the voices, but whatever. How does it feel to be your partner?
Oh, I feel great. I have a super chill husband, 2 lovely children, a beautiful house, a minivan that's totally loaded, and I have a closet full of designer clothes that I never wear. My life is perfect. I don't know why I sit around all day complaining and eating cake.
Wow. Okay, Amy, would you like to... Yes, I would. Hey, I'm Mike, and I have no idea how good I have it. I've got a wife who takes care of everything in the world for me, and all I have to do is not jack off on Skype 3 times a day, but I still do that anyway because I'm a fucking idiot. Okay, this has officially gone off the rails.
Actually, I'm the idiot. I don't even know how to use a TV remote. I mean, it's like, hi, I'm a girl. What do all these clearly labelled buttons mean?
Hey, Doc, we've been here 5 minutes. Can I splooge all over your computer now? Don't even joke about that.
The bottom line is, I'm a perfectionist, and no matter how hard you try, I'll never be satisfied, so there's no point even trying to make me happy. Oh, and I haven't given my husband a blowy since the 2012 Super Bowl, which is so not cool.
Enough. Okay, look, I know I started out saying all marriages can be saved, but it ain't gonna happen for you guys.
You don't even think we should stick it out for the kids?
In my experience, parents who stay in unhappy marriages for their kids just end up making their kids twice as unhappy.
So what should we do?
As a therapist, I'm not allowed to tell you what to do, but I think you should get divorced as soon as possible.
What do you think, babe? Yeah, all right. Will you still make calzone? Yep, no, I understand.